MHC apprenticeship is a great program to learn, and you come in even if you don't know that much. They like to teach you and get you good training, on-the-job training as well. So anything you need to become a service tech, they would provide for you as an apprentice. The apprenticeship was something I was very interested in when I came here and figured it'd help me learn more about trucks. The shop here is unique because it's got a lot of tools, a lot of new tools in it, a lot of room to work on trucks, and it stays nice and cool in here. There's some definitely older guys here that have helped me along and the process of learning. Whenever I needed help or anything, they always there helping me. The guys that teach, they definitely let me get my hands dirty. They know that it takes a lot of hands-on experience to learn things in this industry. And this place has taught me so much. It's kind of unreal. The last place I worked at for a lot longer and didn't learn half the things that I know now from this place.